Good morning, student. In last lecture, we learned about types of angle. Today we are going to learn an angle bisector. Okay. See, bisector. Bisector means what? Angle bisector. Angle bisector means which one angle is there. This one we have to divide in a two equal parts. The given angle, this one divided into two equal parts, it is said to be the bisector of angle. Then first we will see to draw an angle bisector using a compass. Okay, then first we have to draw a line. See here. Okay, then give the name to that one line, suppose A, B. Then use a protector. With the help of protector we draw the angle. Okay, then see, suppose we draw the 60-degree angle. See here, 60 is here, then we will draw 60-degree angle. Here see, this one the middle line, we have to keep on point A, and where this one the 60 is there, here we draw one point. Okay, then join this with A. Okay, now our 60-degree angle, this is our 60-degree angle. Then we take the compass, it is said to be the compass. Okay, then we have to take the convenient distance and draw the arc. Okay, suppose likewise distance I took, and here we have to draw the arc. Okay, likewise arc we have to draw here. Then here also we will give the name. Suppose this is the P and this is the Q. Up to this all of you understood? Okay, then see, we have to take in compass the distance between P and Q. Okay, likewise we have to take this one distance. See. Okay, then keep this one point on Q, and here we have to draw the arc. Same here, keep point here and draw the arc. Okay, when we draw the likewise arc, then we have to join it. See here, when we join, then we see this one the angle divided into two parts. Now we will measure the angle. See here, now this one angle is there, here we mention the point O. Now which two angle we got? Yes, PAO, and here we are seeing which one? Suppose here we give the name C. Sorry. Now which angle we got? CAO, and another one is OAB. These two angle we got. Then we measure the one angle. See here. properly we have to keep this one protector. Here also we join the line. See, if you see this one the 30 degree, this one come 30 degree, means first we draw the angle, this one the 60 degree, correct na? This one 60 degree. Now this one angle with the help of bisector we bisect this one angle. Now two angle we got, angle CAO and angle OAB, and this measure of that one the angle, this one the 30 degree, correct? It is the means bisector means AO, it is said to be the bisector of angle CAB, bisector of angle CAB. Now all of you understood how to draw the bisect? See, first we have to draw the line, then how much degree angle you have to draw here, means likewise protector you have to keep on the line, you have to match that one the line with the protector line. See which one the horizontal line is there, you have to match this one line, and then you have to take how much degree angle you want. Okay, means here I took the 60 degree, here this one the 60 degree angle I took. Then afterward when we took that one the angle, then you have to join it with this point. Then take the convenient distance in a compass and draw this first arc. You have to draw this first arc. Then afterwards next step is there, you have to take this one distance in compass. The distance between this one P and Q you have to take in this compass. Okay, this one distance you have to take in compass. Then keep one point on Q and draw the arc here. Same thing you have to do here, keep one point on P and draw the arc here. And then which one the midpoint of that one the arc, this one you have to draw with this point. Then you will get the two angle. Okay, then you will get the two angle, and these both angle having the same measurement, these both angle having the same measurement. All of you understood? Okay, then you have to take the angle of, means likewise bisect of angle, draw bisect see this one your homework, 70 degree, then 50 degree and 40 degree. See this one your homework, you have to draw the, means you have to draw 80 degree angle, then 70 degree, 50 degree and 40 degree, and draw the bisector of that one angle. All of you understood? This one your homework. Thank you.